Alright, so it's a cold winter morning. You can see the sun is partly covered by clouds. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to solve this Rubik's Cube. It's beautiful uh, winter's morning. So let me just first. Alright, so I'm just gonna begin solving it. First, I'm going to make a cross. Now, first, what we have to do is we have to solve the first layer. You can hear the sounds of birds in the background. It is peaceful, right? Yeah, it's pretty peaceful here. So we have solved the first layer. You can see here, Now it's time to solve the second layer. So I'm going to quickly solve the second layer as well. So we are on the point of solving the second layer. This is just one left. Yeah, this one's left. So I'm going to quickly solve it. Yeah, done. It's done. Now for the final layer, I'm just going to so it does look like it's solved, but we still have work to do. So I'm gonna find the right spot, this one. Alright, now just this one's left, and then we're done. Finally, guys, I'm on the point of solving this Rubik's Cube. We're done. We're done. Look at this. We're done. So it was really fun solving this Rubik's Cube here in the garden, in Mango Garden. You can see this beautiful garden. And yes, so it was actually fun. Make sure to, do stuff like liking, subscribing, and all that stuff. So yeah, see you later. Bye-bye.